more market action coming up, but let's also introduce our guests on the show. Joining us today, we've got Vishal Malkan of MalkanView.com. We will also get all your stock queries answered, and Hemant Rastogi of Wise Invest Advisors joining in for all the personal finance questions that we get on the show today. Gentlemen, thank you for being with us. Let's straight away get started. We've got Twinkle joining in from Mumbai, I believe. Let's see what her question is. Twinkle, hi.
Hi.
Hi, thank you for joining us on the show. How can we help you?
Yeah, actually I wanted to know about the current market situation about mutual funds.
Okay.
So is it correct time to invest right now around 10 to 12 for long term?
10 to 12,000 rupees you want to put in every. How many years can you hold the investment?
10 to 12 years.
10 to 12 years. Okay, that is a reasonably long time horizon. Hemant, let me toss this to you. What would you say? Because the time horizon is fairly long and she's willing to be patient. How should she go about this investment?
I think first thing I would like to say, Twinkle, when you talk about investing in mutual funds, don't really look at what's happening in the market, especially because, as you're saying, your time horizon is around 10 years. And considering the fact that you'll be investing money on a monthly basis, which means that you'll be investing at different levels in a disciplined manner. So, in fact, if there is a volatility in the market, you'll benefit because of cost averaging. So the key factor is, of course, to have a clearly defined time horizon, which in your case, you have for 10 years. Let me give you two recommendations here. If you're looking at 10 years, of course, you can look at well-diversified equity fund. But if you're looking at slightly lesser than that, maybe if you're not very comfortable investing all the money into equity, maybe then you can look at a combination of balanced fund. Now, one balanced fund can be a typical balanced fund which invests around 65 to 70% in equity, which can be a Tata balanced fund. Another one can be, balanced advantage kind of fund which have restricted exposure to equity, where you can look at ICICI Pru balanced advantage fund. Look at a combination of these two, but as I mentioned earlier, if you can invest 100% into equity, which will be ideal for a time horizon like for 10 years, then you can look at funds like Franklin India Prima Plus, Kotak Select Focus, and ICICI Discovery. So, you need to choose one of these combinations for you.
Okay. Momentum. But on that note, let's move on. We've got Bhavishya Bhatt calling in from Mumbai. I think he's got a personal finance question. Let's find out more. Bhavishya, thank you so much for this call. How can we help?
Hi. Actually, I want to invest, 25K per month till the next year, December. So on which mutual fund I should go for, or what should I exactly put in? I'm an avid risk taker. So that's okay. I can take risk.
So you're taking risk, but you're only investing for just a little over 1 year. You're looking at an equity fund, or you're looking at a debt fund? I mean, you're looking at fixed returns.
Equity fund.
An equity fund for just about a year's time or thereabouts. Okay, let's ask Hemant. Hemant, so he's got a very short time horizon. What would you advise him?
Well, the issue is, even though he'll be investing for a period of 1 year, since the money will be invested on a monthly basis, the average holding period is going to be just about 6 months. So definitely my recommendation would be not to look at equity. It can be tempting at times thinking that the markets are down, so let's invest and make some money. I don't think it will be really advisable to look at equity with a holding period of around 6 to 7 months. For a time horizon like this, my recommendation would be that you should look at arbitrage funds. These funds are quite safe, and these funds have the potential to give you higher return than what you can get from debt options like short-term debt fund or ultra short-term debt fund. And good thing about them is that as far as the tax is concerned, they're treated as equity funds, which means that any gain that he will make after 1 year will be tax-free. If he is not going to be holding over a period of 1 year, then he can look at monthly dividend option, and that dividend also will be tax-free. There are a couple of funds that I've been recommending in this category. You can look at Kotak Arbitrage Fund or Religare Invesco Arbitrage Fund. Definitely, I would not recommend equity fund for a period of 6 to 7 months.
Wall Street. Closing bell will take that action forward. Thank you so much for being with us.